Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing extremely well. So today we are discussing email. So let's we start. Email is a service which allows you to send the messages in electric mode over the internet. It offers an effective, inexpensive and real-time means of distributing information among people. What is email address? So each user of email in assigned a unique name of his email account. This name is known as email address. Different users can send and receive message according to the email address. Next point is email is generally of the form username domain name. So for example, Jayashree Pavitra gmail.com. Is an email address where Jayashree Pavitra is username and .com is domain name. Next is email message components. First is email header, greeting, text and signature. Next is online chatting. Online chatting a text based is a text based communication between two or more people over the network. In this, the text message is delivered in real time and people get immediate response. Next is Tokomatic was the first world online chat system. It was developed by Doug Brown and David R. William in 1973. Next is web-based chat services. So Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter. So these are web-based chat services. Next is www. So what is this www? So www means World Wide Web. All the resource and users on the internet that are using the hypertext transfer protocol means HTTP. Founder is Tim Berners-Lee. Organization World Wide Web Consort Consortium means W3C. So W3C. Next, the World Wide Web is the universe of network assemble accessible information The World Wide Web is a way of exchanging information between computers on the internet. Next, internet and web is not the same. Is not the same thing. Web use web uses internet to pass over the information. So this is the most important point. So next is web browser. Web browser is an application software that allows us to view and explore information on the web. User can request for any web page by just entering a URL into address bar. Web browser can show text, audio, video, animation and more. It is the responsibility of a web browser to interpret text and comments content in the web page. Next is, earlier the web browser were text based, while nowadays graphical based or voice based web browser are available. Next, what is HTTP? HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Means HTTP is an application level protocol for distributed collaborative hypermedia information system. This is a foundation of data communication for the World Wide Web, means WWW, seen 1990. Basically, HTTP is a TCP or IP based communication protocol that is used to deliver data, means HTML files, image files, query results on the World Wide Web. It provides a standardized way of computers to communicate with each other. So that's it for this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please comment. So see you in next video.